Take out. Take out. Keep. Where is the E letter? E. Take out. So where is the H? H letter? H. Okay, keep. Where is the K letter? K. K. Where is the K? Very good. Take out. Where is the N? N letter N. Take out. Where is the P letter? P. 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 Take out. Very good. Where is the S letter? S. S. Okay, very good. Where is the X? X letter? X. Very good. Where is the Z letter? Z. Z. Very good. Very good. Claps, claps, all of you.